Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake cookies easy guide. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line baking sheets while you prepare the batter. Cream 8 ounces cream cheese with 1/2 cup sugar until smooth, then beat in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Fold in 2 cups flour and 1/2 cup crushed graham crackers, chill dough briefly, then scoop and bake for about 12 minutes. Cool before serving. Gather ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and stress-free in the kitchen. Measure 8 ounces cream cheese, 1/2 cup sugar, 2 cups flour, 1 egg, and 1/2 cup crushed graham crackers. Pre-measuring helps prevent overmixing and keeps the dough consistent, which makes for even baking and lovely texture. Have any optional mix-ins ready so you can fold them in quickly and evenly once batter is ready. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation. The product seen here is a set of leak-proof containers that make meal prep and storing cookie dough simple and tidy. I find them handy when portioning dough or saving leftovers. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Keep a gentle eye on the oven and trust the look and touch of the cookies more than the timer. Chilling the dough makes cleaner cookie shapes and better texture, while scooping uniform portions gives consistent bake results. If tops brown too quickly, lower heat by 10 to 15 degrees F or move racks. If centers seem underdone, let cookies rest on the sheet to finish cooking from residual heat for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.